If you are in search of a private land surveyor in Shimla, look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With years of experience in the field, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a trusted name when it comes to land surveying services in Shimla. Our team of qualified and experienced surveyors is equipped with the latest technology and tools to accurately measure and map out your land. As a private land surveyor in Shimla, our primary objective is to provide our clients with accurate and reliable surveying services. We understand the importance of precise measurements and detailed mapping when it comes to land development projects. Whether you are planning to construct a building, develop a housing project, or simply need to determine the boundary lines of your property, our team at SCON Design India Pvt Ltd can assist you. At SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, we pride ourselves on our professionalism and commitment to delivering high-quality surveying services. Our team of experts will work closely with you to understand your requirements and ensure that all aspects of the surveying process are carried out efficiently and effectively. We utilize advanced software and equipment to ensure accurate measurements and detailed mapping of your land. By choosing SCON Design India Pvt Ltd as your private land surveyor in Shimla, you can have peace of mind knowing that your project is in capable hands. Our team is dedicated to providing exceptional service and exceeding client expectations. We believe in building long-term relationships with our clients based on trust, integrity, and professionalism. So, if you are in need of a private land surveyor in Shimla, contact SCON Design India Pvt Ltd today. Our team is ready to assist you with all your surveying needs and provide you with the accurate and reliable results you need for your project. Trust SCON Design India Pvt Ltd for accurate land surveying services in Shimla. Our experienced surveyors use advanced technology to provide precise measurements and detailed mapping for your land.